Welcome everyone, this is John Ibiniode and you're welcome to the third video in the series, building your Notepad application using the Qt C++ framework. Alright, so in this video we are going to be implementing the open feature or the open function for the Notepad application. So for us to do that, first of all I'm going to come to the Notepad UI. I'm going to add an action for the open button here. Alright, we've been given the action open this thing here under action editor. Alright, so I'm going to head back to the to the notepad.cpp, and I'm going to add a connect for that action here. So connect UI action, that should be action open, and we're going to use this queue action here. So when it is triggered, we send the signal to this slot. That is, this slot is going to handle the signal for us. So I'm going to name this thing open file. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to go to the notepad.h to define that function here. So open file this. Alright, so let's go back to the notepad.cpp. I'm going to write the body for this function right now, the open file. Let's see, notepad. Alright, so over here, void notepad open file. Okay, so we're going to retrieve the file name from the user. File name q file dialog, get open file name. Let's make this and I'm going to the caption, let's say open file. Alright, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this over here. Ctrl C. So let's head back. I'm going to paste it here, and what next? So I'm going to add the semicolon at the end here. Alright, so once we've retrieved the file from the user and the file is empty, so if file name dot is empty, let's return as the file was opened successfully. So q file, let's assign that to file because we want to open it. So if let's also try to open the file. If not file.open, q file, open it to read only. So let me remove this and add this q file test. Right, so we are opening this file for read only. You can also open the file for both read only and write only. So let's just make this simple for now. We are going to open it for read only. Alright, so if not file.open, that is if we had an error while trying to open in the file. So we are going to display the error message to the user using the Q message box. Alright, okay, so warning. These let's give it warning. Okay, let's say file refuse to open. I'm going to display the error message also. So let's say file.error string. Alright, so we are done with that. So now that the file has been opened successfully, is if this particular if body did not execute, that means the file was opened successfully. So we are going to use text string to read the content of the file. So let's say read from file. I'm going to pass in the file. Alright, so we're going to also store the content of the file in this string here. So let's say file content is equals to let's say file content is equals to read from file. All right, read from file dot. Going to read the going to read every content of the file. All right, so we're going to say read all. So we're going to read the content of the file, everything in the file. So we're going to read it into this file content here, and we're going to dump whatever we read into this file content on this notepad over here. There's this field over here. There's the text edit field. We're going to dump the content there. So we are going to go back to the notepad CPP. So what I'm going to do now is to UI. I think that should be edit, right? That's edit. So set test. Let's set the test. So set test file content, and we're going to close the file here. It's very important to do. After every file operation, you need to close the file. All right, so I think we're all good. So I'm going to compile this code right now. All right, so the program has finished compiling. So let's test the open function. So first of all, let's create a file. This is a text file, so I'm going to save this file under Q Notepad files. I'm going to save it under Q Notepad files. I'm going to give it the name info and save. All right, so let's see if we can open that file for reading. So I'm going to click on file, so open. So I'm going to go down to Q Notepad files, and I'm going to click on info, open. All right, the content of the file was not displayed here, so let's see where the error could be. If Q file name, if not, okay, yeah, sorry, there shouldn't be an exclamation mark there, so let's see. All right, and also here we are going to need to put the return in case the file refuses to open, so we need to return to the notepad. Also we should also do that here under the where is it, under the save as function. So I'm going to return whenever there's an error. All right, so okay, so now let's compile the code again. Right, so the program has finished compiling successfully. So let's try the open feature again to see if it's working properly now. So I'm going to click on Q Notepad files, info, open. All right, so it's now working properly. So we have the content of this file. This is a text file. All right, so what next? Okay, before I end this video, let me show you something, how to add an icon to those buttons there. Okay, all right, so I'm going to come here, action, new window. So I'm going to edit. So I'm going to come to icon theme. Let's make use of, say, open for the icon here, and also for the action font, let's just use anything here, since I don't want to over the the list of the icon theme given to us here by Qt. So let's just use something like edit. I'm going to come up, let's just use copy a lot of savers. Let's use something like a disk. So okay, we have it here, drive, hard disk. All right, okay, so for the open, let's see what we've got here. Let's add an icon here. So let's make use of the let's use find. So these icons I'm using, some of them are not related to the function performed by these buttons. So I'm just trying to show you how to add an icon to your Notepad application. So let's try to compile that again. Let's see that. All right, so we have the icons here for set font, for new window, for open. The one for save as did not display. So let's see what's wrong there. So I'm going to edit drive hard disk. Okay, let's also use the drive optical. Let's see. I'm going to compile this again. Let's wait for the compilation. All right, so we have here. Okay. Program is running. It's not yet running but compiling. So all right, I think it is done. So let's see. Okay, so we now have the save as, set fonts, queue, new window, and up. All right, so some of these icon here they do not relate to the function performed by these buttons here. So just know that, just like I said, I just showed you how to add an icon to these buttons over here. Alright, so thanks for watching, and in this next video or subsequent videos, we are going to be adding more feature to the Notepad application. So thanks for watching, and if you know you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do where to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of my videos. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.